So today I have a little share what I gathered on my vacation. I just wanted to share how many craft supplies I picked up during my stay there. I gathered some of the cards, like plenty of cards that you get there wherever you're staying, and you can actually see the cards are from a lot of museums and stuff like that. So I wanted to use the cards to make some different tags and stuff. So this is one huge stack that I got. I'm gonna be using them up. Then we went to the store and I got some coupons. And I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with them. The back is empty, so I might use the back as an empty one or glue two together. So I'll figure something out to do with these. And I got some tea and some of empty teas. So they're really nice baggies, and I think I have some more. I don't know where right now, but yeah. And I wanted to use these as well in as an embellishments and stuff. And then I gathered some things that I got in the room. So every time that you're out of it, they replenish it. And this is the whole cap of it. So basically inside of it there is so much. It's like shampoo and soaps. This is just one set that I could find, sewing kit. I really love the bags. The bags are awesome. This is shower cap, another shower cap, and this is the empty lotion, shampoo lotion. So yeah, I gathered all of them, and they always replenish, and I wanted to use baggies from it, because I even have some baggies from soaps because we used few, and they're really beautiful. I love them. The pattern that they have on it, it's really lovely. I love the blue color on them. And then this is the shower cap, like one-time use shower cap. I might use that as well for something. Not sure yet for what, but right now I have these bag of goodies in. This is from few days, so even this one is shoe sponge. Don't even know how it looks like inside, but I'm gonna leave it in. And yeah, just wanted to share. So whenever you go out, you can actually collect small things that you get for free there, and use them in your junk journals. One time we went out to eat, we got this, a refreshing towel, and they really smell good, like a lemony. And I have one that it's already used, so I'm gonna use this one for a pocket or something like that. With those packets, like here, they always put a doily on, like it was a doily and then all these goodies on it. So I took the doily because I think it's really cute. It has really nice roses in. So I took a bunch of doilies. They were like, I think like 3 spots in a room. They were all doilies, so I took those. And I think one time I took one of the napkins where I had my coffee on, and I kind of like this, so gonna use that too for something. So that's that. And then we ate a little bit of pecans, and I got some of the butter tops that I wanted to utilize as well. So as you can see, I put in a bag because it's so many sugar packets. These sugar packets I got in one of the restaurants we were eating last days. And I really love the pattern. So I want to utilize that and use it like a washer or something. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. Or maybe a patchwork or something. And then I have different kind of sugar packets. I love this one, coffee time. So it could be for a coffee journal. Even these ones could be for a coffee journal. And another coffee. And I like the text. It says sugar in many languages. And then a one like this, just painting. I always tend to take sugar packets whenever I go out. If I go somewhere, even if I don't drink coffee there, I take the sugar packet. I used to collect them for a friend, but I don't think she's still collecting them right now. So another magazine that I kind of harvested halfway through, that I got in Aldi. And these are just some pieces that I wanted to throw away, and then I realized I'm gonna make some paper. You can see the video below. I'm gonna link it with making papers from scrap magazines. I saved a few of the cups that we had and washed them out, and I am going to use them up in the next video, so I'm going to link that video down below too. There is some, additional information and stuff, and this is really thick cardboard. And there were some these thingies, like one at the telephone, which it was kind of weird. I thought it's going to be like a whole block or something. Then this is just hotel saying you which room you are and how to get there and the service and all that and how many people. Then another one is like this big tag for the towels, and I kind of liked it, so I took it. I think I'm gonna have it as it is. I'm not gonna cover it because I think it's very, very nice, and I love this one. And it looks kind of new one. In the room, you had some of the bags for clothing. And we got two. So I have two bags that I might cut up and make some smaller bags. The video is down below. You can go check what I mean. Stack of hygienic bags that I got in the hotel. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I think I want to make them grungy. And I want to do some journals or something out of them. We'll see. That's still in progress. I do have a lot of different ones. This is just one type that they had there. But usually I always take few wherever I go. So I have different looking ones already. This is different languages, the prices and all. So I just took some, and this is, I think, in Italian, and another one in Slovenian. So I took some. Then they had this nice thing, and I took it. They have really nice pictures. Probably you can see. I can just flip through like quickly so you can see what this is all about. More papers. Looks kind of nice. This is not in Slovenian, but this is how it looks like there. And the other places in Slovenia, they're all there. So you can go check it out. Oh, I love this picture. Really nice. So, something to fussy cut out. They had some of the envelopes, so you can write or something, and I took those as well. They're really nice. 3 envelopes, and then some stuff that came with the room, and some pieces of paper to write on. Usually it was like 3 or 2. And let me see, some thicker paper as well. I really like the back, and it's so sturdy of some of the papers. So I think I'm gonna use the back for crafting. More pamphlets that I got. I don't even know why they put this in the room, but they did. It's really old. Some more paper. I love the paper. And some more stuff. So there is a lot of things that I gathered from vacation, and I hope you got some ideas to what to take. I am going to show you in the next videos how I'm gonna use some things that I gathered, so you can get free supplies whenever you go and use them in your journals. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.